Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Saxo Trader Go app in your device. Saxo Trader Go is a well-rounded trading platform with a user-friendly interface, extensive feature and global reach. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Saxo Trader Go. There you can see Saxo Trader Go. Tap on it, then press Install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Saxo Trader Go app to be a strong contender in the online brokerage space. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.